Welcome to our lens comparison video, where we dive into the features and benefits of two exceptional lenses. The Nikon NIKKOR Z 24-70mm f/2.8s and the Canon RF75-300mm F4-5.6 zoom lens. Whether you're a professional photographer or a hobbyist, choosing the right lens can significantly impact your photography experience. Today, we'll break down their specifications, compare their capabilities, and help you decide which lens might be the best fit for your needs. Let's get started. The Nikon NIKKOR Z 24-70mm f/2.8s is designed for professional photographers, offering exceptional optical quality and versatility for various photography styles, including events and portraits. In contrast, the Canon RF75-300mm F4-5.6 is aimed at budget-conscious users, providing a lightweight and affordable option for telephoto photography, making it ideal for sports and wildlife. The Nikon lens offers a focal length of 24 to 70 millimeters, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of photography needs, from landscapes to portraits. On the other hand, the Canon lens provides a much longer reach of 75 to 300 millimeters, allowing photographers to capture distant subjects with ease, which is particularly beneficial for wildlife and sports photography. The Nikon NIKKOR Z 24-70mm f/2.8s features a constant maximum aperture of f/2.8, which allows for excellent low-light performance and depth of field control. In contrast, the Canon RF75-300mm F4-5.6 has a variable aperture that ranges from f/4.5 to f/5.6, which may limit its performance in low-light situations and affect background blur. In conclusion, both the Nikon NIKKOR Z 24-70mm f/2.8s and the Canon RF75-300mm F4-5.6 zoom lens offer unique advantages tailored to different types of photographers. The Nikon lens is perfect for those seeking professional quality and versatility, while the Canon lens provides an affordable option for those who need a telephoto reach without breaking the bank. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more photography content.